Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to dive right into 9 things that you must do every time you get paid. If you ever felt like your paycheck was going too fast or that you're not making enough progress towards your financial goals, this video is for you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to give you practical examples for each step so you can implement these strategies immediately. Let's get into it. Step 1 is simple but powerful. You want to pay yourself first. This means prioritizing your savings or investments before you spend on anything else. Think of it as investing in your future. For example, let's say you make $4,000 per month. You set aside 20%. You're going to do that as soon as your paycheck hits your account. So automatically you're saving $800. If you really want to make money off of this, automate your transfer into a high yield savings account or investment account. By automating it, you won't even have to think about it, guys. Trust me, this is one habit alone that can transform your financial future. Next, you want to make sure you're building or maintaining your emergency fund. This is your safety net for things that life may throw you. You know, those unexpected curveballs, like a car repair or a medical bill. You know, things that you never thought would happen. Now, for example, if your goal is to save $15,000 and you already have saved $5,000, allocate $200 of your paycheck to keep building on that fund. Set up a separate account and label it as your emergency fund so that you can track your progress and resist the temptation of spending. That's the reason why you need that separate account. Third, you want to make sure that you've accounted for your fixed expenses. These are your non-negotiables like rent, utilities, insurance. For example, if your rent is $1,200, utilities around $200, and your insurance is around $150, you'll need to set aside from the beginning $1,550 from your paycheck. Automate these payments as well, so you never ever have to worry about missing a due date, and you will avoid those pesky late fees. You know, debt can hold you back financially. So dedicating part of your paycheck to paying down debt, especially that high interest debt like credit cards, should be a priority. Let's just say you had a $5,000 credit card balance with a 20% interest rate. Allocate $500 from your paycheck to aggressively pay it off. This will save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in interest over time. By all means, start paying that high interest debt off as fast as possible. And I know for many of you, especially younger people, you probably believe that retirement is a long ways off. Believe me, retirement may feel far away, but the sooner you get started to contributing, the better. Not to mention you give your money time to grow. And if your employer offers a 401k match, don't leave that free money on the table, guys. For example, if your employer offers a 5% match and you earn $4,000 per month, contribute at least $200 to your 401k. That way your employer matches another $200, giving you $400 saved in retirement every single month. It's easy as that, guys. They're going to match 5%. And that's a pretty good matching from an employer. So take advantage of it today. Don't forget about the variable expenses like groceries, gas, entertainment. These can fluctuate from month to month. So it's very important that you budget carefully. For instance, if you estimate spending $500 on groceries, $150 on gas, and $200 on entertainment, you want to allocate $850 of your paycheck to these items. Use a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB to help you track these expenses. This will ensure that you're staying within your budget and within your limit. So go ahead and download those apps and get started today. Beyond retirement accounts, consider investing in things like ETFs, index funds, or even real estate to grow your wealth over time. For example, take $300 from your paycheck and invest it in S&P 500 index funds. Your consistent contributions and an average 7% annual return. That's $300 per month with consistent contributions and an average 7% annual return. That $300 per month could grow to be over $122,000 over a 20-year period. It's a small step with a huge long-term benefit. Guys, get on it. This is a huge, huge, huge opportunity. Whether it's a dream vacation, a new car, or a down payment on a house, saving for specific goals is essential. For example, if you're planning a $3,000 vacation next year, open a separate bank account and label that account Vacation Fund so that you can track exactly how much you're saving and keep it separate from your other finances. Finally, use your payday as an opportunity to review your budget and make adjustments as needed. This helps you stay on track and identify areas you can improve. For example, if you notice that you're spending an additional $150 a month on takeout, you can adjust your budget and redirect that money towards savings or to something that you need to pay off, such as one of your credit cards. Small tweaks like this will make a difference over a period of time. And there you have it. 9 things you must do every single time you get paid. These steps may seem simple, but when you combine them with consistency and discipline, you can transform your financial life. So what are you going to start doing with your next paycheck? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Let's keep building our wealth and our financial freedom together. Until next time.